Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Masterminds. In today's video, we will explore Elementary Science Chapter 3, breaking it down in a simple way to help you understand it better. It is Anik Hassan guiding you all through the video. So let's start. Chapter 3, Soil. Point 1, the importance of soil. Soil is the loose covering of Earth's surface. Plants and animals use soil as their habitat. Plants grow on soil. Animals eat plants to get energy. People use soil in their life in different ways. Question: why is soil important in our life? Activity: the use of soil. So we have to make a table like this and then fill up the table. So let's see the answer of this task. See, here is answer activity: the use of soil. Uses of soil in agriculture, vegetable production, in house building, pottery, as a garbage dump. These are the uses of soil. Let's go back to the book. Next page, summary. There are different uses of soil. People use soil for different purposes. Agriculture. People use soil for growing plants. Soil provides necessary water and nutrients for plants. People grow vegetable and crops for food they need to live on. Building. People make houses and buildings on soil. Soil can be used for making building materials such as bricks or concrete. Arts and crafts. Soil is used for making pottery that can create kitchen goods such as pots, vases, bowls, etc. People also use soil in making artwork for interior decoration and for exhibition. Landfills. A lot of garbage that people throw away goes to a landfill. Landfills are areas where garbage is dumped on the land. Most of the trash that we throw away ends up in a landfill. Sometimes garbage have dumped in a specific area or built it within the soil. This part is so important for you. You can underline it. This part, starting from landfills to all through. This part is very important for you, so you can underline it. Moving to the next page. Point 2. Growth of soil fertility. We learned that plants need air, water, and sunlight to grow. What else do they need to grow well? Question. How can we grow plants well? Activity. The need of plants to grow well. Let's see the answer of this activity. See, here is the answer. Part 1. Condition. Plants with fertilizer. Data through observation. Plant growth is good. Part 2. Plants without fertilizer. Plant growth is not good. Let's go back to the book. Next page, summary. We found that plants grow well in soil that contains fertilizers. Fertilizers include the elements that are most important in plant nutrients. Plants need nutrients to grow and thrive. The soil that contains more nutrients necessary for plants is more fertile. Soil fertility is the capacity of soil to grow crops. The following are some good ideas on how to make soil fertile. 1. Using fertilizer. Farmers apply fertilizers in soil to produce crops. The fertilizer can help in restoring lost soil nutrients. Fertilizers can be divided into two groups: organic fertilizer and inorganic fertilizer. Cow dung and compost are organic fertilizers, and urea and TSP are inorganic fertilizers. See the images? It is organic fertilizer, which is compost, and it is inorganic fertilizer, which is urea. Rotating crop. If the same crop is cultivated year after year in the same field, crop uses up some of nutrients in the soil. Soil rotation helps maintain soil fertility. Some crops such as beans help put nutrients back into the soil. Next page. Point 3. Soil pollution. Soil pollution happens when people put harmful materials directly or indirectly into the soil. Question: what causes soil pollution? Activity. The causes of soil pollution. So let's see the answer of this activity. Here is the activity answer. The causes of soil pollution. 1. Throwing garbage like packets or chips, household waste, etc. 2. Use of pesticides and herbicides in agriculture. 3. Dumping of industrial oil and other harmful substances on the ground. Let's go back to the book. Discussion. What can we do to prevent soil pollution? So let's see the answer of this discussion. Discussion is a classroom activity, although I'm showing you the answer. We can do the following to prevent soil pollution. 1. Dumping garbage in specific areas and covering it with soil. 2. Treatment of industrial and hospital wastes with or dumping them on the ground. 3. Using organic fertilizers instead of chemical fertilizers. 4. Reusing and recycling materials. 4. Conservation of forest land. Uh, Now next page, summary. Causes of soil pollution. Soil is polluted by different human activities. For example, 1. Littering garbage and domestic waste on the land which do not decompose. 2. The use of pesticides or herbicides for agricultural activities. And 3. Leakages of oil or harmful materials from factories to the land. Effects of soil pollution. Soil pollution harms living things and destroys their habitats and the nature. Soil pollution reduces soil productivity. Crop growth is in polluted soil may have harmful things. Soil pollution causes diseases in both humans and many other animals. How to prevent soil pollution? Here are the good practices that we can do to prevent soil pollution. 1. Dumping garbage in specific places. 2. Reduce the use of materials which are not decomposed in the soil. Reuse and recycling something. And C. Use organic fertilizers such as compost in the crop field. Conservation of soil. Soil conservation is protection of soil from erosion or the maintenance of soil fertility. Soil erosion occurs when topsoil is removed by wind and water. It results in the loss of fertile soil and reduces the ability of holding water. Plants play an important role in preventing soil erosion by their roots. We can prevent soil erosion by planting trees and growing grasses on land. This part is really important for you, so you can highlight it in your book. Now, exercises. 1. Fill in the blanks. 2. Put a tick mark on the correct answer. 3. Short questions. 4. Descriptive questions. 5. Matching the words on the left with the words on the right. So let's see the answer of these 5 exercises. Here are the answers. At first, 1. Fill in the blanks. 1. The loose covering of Earth's surface is called soil. 2. Soil pollution happens when people introduce harmful materials into the soil. 3. Compost is an organic fertilizer. Now exercise 2. Put a tick mark on the correct answer. What is the cause of soil pollution? The answer will be number A. Littering trash. 2. How can we maintain soil fertility? The answer will be B. Rotating the crops. Exercise 3 short questions. 1. Write 5 uses of soil in our life. Answer. 5 uses of soil in our life are given below. 1. Soil is used to grow various types of plants that produce food for our survival. 2. Houses and buildings are built on soil for living. 3. Soil is used to make bricks or concrete. 4. Soil is used to make various types of pottery such as pots and pans, home decoration works, etc. 5. Soil is used to make bins for throwing away garbage. What do plants need to grow? Plants need food, water, light, and soil to grow. 3. What are the ways to maintain soil fertility? Answer. Ways to maintain soil fertility are 1. Applying regular fertilizers or net organic fertilizers to the soil. 2. Cultivating different crops alternately instead of repeatedly cultivating the same crops on the land. 3. Cultivation of legumes, kind of vegetables. Now, exercise number 4. 1. How can we prevent soil pollution? Explain. Answer. We can prevent soil pollution in various ways. For example, 1. Disposing of garbage and garbage in designated places instead of throwing it everywhere. 2. Treating industrial and hospital waste instead of dumping it on the ground. 3. Reducing the use of materials, reusing and recycling. 4. Using organic fertilizers such as compost instead of chemical fertilizers on the land. 4. Preserving forests. 2. Why is soil important to living things? Explain. Answer. Soil is a very important element for the survival of living beings. This soil is the habitat of plants and animals, that is, living beings. Food is needed for survival, and soil directly and indirectly provides food to living beings. For example, plants grow by taking food from the soil, and animals take this plant as food. Moreover, people use soil for various purposes. For example, in agriculture, house construction, pottery, using soil as a place to throw garbage is very important. For all these reasons, soil is important for living beings. 3. How can we conserve soil? Answer. Soil conservation means preventing soil erosion or maintaining soil fertility. Soil can be preserved in the following ways. 1. Increasing forest land by planting trees without destroying forest land. 2. By planting grass on fallow lands. 3. By arranging for slow water drainage. 4. By using organic fertilizer instead of chemical fertilizer. 5. By not throwing plastic toys, bags, or polythenes on the ground. Exercise 5. Match the words on the left with the words on the right. Here is the right words and here is the left words. Answer. Causes of soil pollution: littering garbage, prevention of soil pollution, putting garbage in a specific place, soil fertility, crop rotation, effects of soil pollution, destruction of the nature. Dear students, we have completed the chapter 3 of your science book. So thanks for watching Masterminds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious. Assalamu alaikum.